Let's cook spinach omelette together. Chopped spinach. Crack eggs into bowl, add spinach and mix well. Add water, then season with salt, pepper powder and corn flour. Fried egg until bottom solidified, then carefully flip it. Spinach omelette is done. This is easy and healthy. Give it a try. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. Let's use hoisin sauce to fried kway teo. Hoisin sauce fried kway teo. Sliced carrot and mushrooms. Chopped ginger. Cook kway teo until softened and cut dried chilies into small pieces. Stir-fry onion and chopped ginger. Add carrot sliced and mushroom slices. Add 1 tablespoon hoisin sauce. Add 1 bowl soup broth or hot boiling water. Then add kway teo. Stir-fry kway teo. Season with 1 teaspoon light soy sauce. Hoisin sauce fried kway teo is done. Yum! Hoisin sauce goes well with kway teo. I'll share recipe of frying yimi with this sauce. Give it a try. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. Today, we will stir-fry bell pepper with 2 recipes. Stir-fry onion and bell pep. 2 ingredients for this recipe: onion and bell peppers. Sliced bell peppers. Stir-fry onion until translucent. Add bell peppers and stir-fry. Season with oyster sauce and chicken powder. Stir-fry onion and bell peppers is done. Yummy! This dish is crispy and sweet, good to go with rice. Give it a try. Share this delicious recipe also with your family and friends. Next, let's stir-fry bell pepper with celery and mushrooms. Indeed are bell peppers, celery and mushrooms. Mushroom remove stem. Wash all ingredients. Peel celery fiber with peeler. Celery is tastier and crunchy without fiber layer. Sliced mushrooms and bell peppers. Sliced celery. Stir-fry chopped onion until fragrant. Add celery and mushroom. Add 2 tablespoons of water and simmer for 1 minute. Season with oyster sauce, salt and chicken powder at taste. Add bell peppers and stir-fry evenly. Thicken the sauce with cornstarch water. Plate. Stir-fry bell pepper with celery and mushroom done. Look at the color, so beautiful. Share this delicious recipe with your friends and family. They will love it too. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.